right, verification complete. You're all set.
Thank you. We appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing the facility.
Kingston's NAND Flash Qualification Laboratory. NAND chips are tested for program erase speed, redisturbed characteristics.
As you can see on the screen, the characterization results for this batch are well within tolerance.
With this next generation test equipment, we're pushing the boundaries of USB 4 validation, ensuring robust performance for our clients.
Since the very beginning, our quality philosophy has been straightforward. It's about meticulous engineering and unwavering reliability in every product we ship.
The NAND shipment from supplier 4 is secure.
Confirmed. We're moving the USB controllers to station 2.
All right, team, let's keep the flow moving. Remember, traceability is key.
Here in the Kingston lab, we test NAND chips for program erase speed and endurance. USB controllers are
As you can see, this NDA covers product specifications, customer identities, security certifications, and manufacturing details. Please sign here.
The certification results for the 256-bit encryption look good. We can proceed with the next phase of anti-tamper testing. Our qualification database contains years of endurance test data, meticulously organized by manufacturer. From the first data traveler in 2000, offering just 8 megabytes, to today's 2 terabyte drives.
Here in the Kingston Evaluation Laboratory, we test competitor drives under identical conditions to ensure the highest standards of quality and performance.
Kingston's continuous test operation runs around the clock, with automated fixtures performing endurance and retention testing.
As you can see, the simulation clearly isolates the failure moment on the PCB.
The charge trap structure here stores the data. When we inject electrons, it changes the threshold voltage, letting us read the state as a 0 or a 1.
The distribution shows a clear drop here.
Right, but look at the correlation scatter plot. This cluster deviates significantly from the expected field reliability trend.
The voltage spike is completely out of spec.
And the latency is unstable. They're confirmed inconsistent.
The void distribution is concentrated here.
Yes, which explains the accelerated thermal fatigue failure we observed.
Enhanced.
We need to optimize the NAND allocation
for the high-performance tiers. The current capacity points show a bottleneck here.
Exact. See how the hologram shifts under the UV light.
The microtext is perfectly clear here, confirming authenticity.
What about the module serial number?
Kingston's long-term reliability testing, flash drives in retention aging chambers, drives in the temperature deviation is clear. Hold all drives from that shift and initiate extended thermal cycles immediately.
We can access the full patient history right here.
Kingston's reliability really simplifies our data portability across departments.
Trusted by schools and students globally, Kingston provides the reliable data portability needed for academic success. No subscription required.
Fountain Valley, Orange County, California, Rowan, with a community that has been home to Kingston technology since the company's founding.
Kingston's position as the world's largest independent memory manufacturer, KEX, not owned by or affiliated with any.
The transfer on the main drive is almost complete. The Kingston cards are performing perfectly.
Excellent. Here's the footage from the second camera. I'll start organizing the B-roll now.
This specific lot shows a high failure rate in diagnostics.
We've detected a potential issue with your drive and are shipping a replacement immediately. In Fountain Valley, we're prioritizing energy efficiency. And through smarter design and recyclable packaging, we ensure product longevity.
Kingston's end-of-life product recycling partnership Poupol, the program that accepts Kingston products at end of life for responsible component recovery and
Our profit-sharing program is central to who we are. We're a family, and your dedication is why we succeed.
The fundamental human value of data portability, the ability to carry important information independently,
All stored on Kingston flash drives, all protected by the quality standard that Diana has spent 14 years building.
She is looking for the distribution shape that precedes a lot-level quality issue before the summary threshold is crossed.
With nearly 4 decades of institutional knowledge, the quality focus here is simply how Kingston works.
Kingston's original NAND flash endurance test system has been running continuously, upgraded through multiple generations.
The Kingston Fountain Valley night shift produces flash drives against the same standard as the day shift. Every drive tested,
The reference board run before production confirms that the paste inspection system is calibrated correctly before any production panel is committed to it.
The products are unrecognizable from when I started. The culture, however, is indistinguishable, and it's why the products are as good as they are.
Every morning at 6 a.m., Kingston's quality director reviews the overnight production quality data before the morning quality meeting.
Thank you. The milestone counts the drives we have already built. The next drive requires the same. The acknowledgement is brief. Good. Although the endurance characterization passed, the program disturbance behavior increased the raw bit error rates.
The flash drive is a data protection device. Every specification in our qualification protocol exists to protect the data.
That qualification is the most important work you did today. Remember that every time you sign a lot approval,
the endurance data on this lot is significantly better than anything previously tested.
Retested twice, the uniformity is confirmed. Best we've ever measured.
None of the people who depend on those drives know Diana's name. She has never needed them to.
Next on Process Pulse Factory, we go inside the facility manufacturing something 2 billion people consume.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week, Downey, a new facility, a new process, a new world hidden inside the devices storing